We've talked about respiration in humans. We've talked about anaerobic respiration in microorganisms. Today we're going to respiration in plants. Now we know that plants undergo photosynthesis, but do they respire? Do they need energy? Sure they do. So respiration, first of all, we need to know that respiration and breathing are two different things. If we are talking about breathing, plants do not breathe. They only respire. Okay, let me repeat it. Plants do not breathe. They only respire. In our previous slide, we got to see that respiration is where we break down food to release energy. So it has nothing to do with taking in oxygen or bringing out carbon dioxide. Okay, so breathing takes place when oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled. So over here, we see the oxygen going into this little boy. It goes into the lungs, and then carbon dioxide will come out of the lungs. That is breathing. You take in oxygen, you bring out carbon dioxide. Now, in plants, the carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaves and excess oxygen diffuses out of the leaves through the stomata. So even in the gas exchange in plants, it is the reverse. Carbon dioxide is coming in, oxygen is going out. Carbon dioxide is coming in, the oxygen is going out. Now we know that the glucose is broken down using oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. The same happens in the plant. After producing their glucose, remember respiration has its byproduct being oxygen. So after producing the glucose, it will react with the oxygen to break down the food to release energy for the plants. The excess oxygen is what diffuses out through the leaves. So plants do not breathe, but they respire. Plants do not breathe, but they respire. Breathing is where you take in oxygen and bring out carbon dioxide. That is what breathing is. The oxygen that is taken in is used to break down food. But in the plants, they already have the oxygen in there. So once they produce the glucose reacts with the oxygen, as you can see here, to bring out carbon dioxide and water. And then the plant gets the energy it needs.